unboxing the RAX80 router. We are here today to show you our latest Nighthawk, Nighthawk AX8, a Wi-Fi 6 product featuring AX Wi-Fi. AX8 offers ultra-fast Wi-Fi speeds of up to 6 gigabits per second, with up to 4 times the capacity of traditional AC1200 routers in a compact form factor. Let's take a look at what we have in the box. Let's get started. Carefully remove the protective foam insert between the 2 wings. Lift up both of the wings and lightly press them down into their upright and locked position. That's it. Your router is now ready to be installed. Underneath the unit, you will see the Quick Start Guide that will direct you to download the Nighthawk app, which you'll use for installing the router. The accessories in the bottom of the box include a power adapter for your router and an Ethernet cable, which you'll use to plug into your current internet service provider device, such as cable modem in your home. On the back of the unit, you can see the 6 gigabit ports and 2 USB ports. Plug in one end of the included Ethernet cable into the yellow port labeled Internet. Then, plug in the other end into one of the Internet LAN ports of your ISP device. The power adapter will plug into the port on the far right-hand side of the back of the AX8. Then, plug in the power brick into a wall outlet to power up your router. Once your router's LED light has indicated that you have power by lighting up, you can follow the step-by-step process using the Nighthawk app. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.